What's up, YouTube? This is your last hustler. In today's episode, we got a bang. Today, I'll be starting a new journey and starting a new business. We're going to go get a vending machine and start a vending machine business. I know, it's different. Why not try it out? So we're finna go up to Lawrenceville and go pick up this vending machine from the seller. We're gonna go check it out, make sure it works, and we're gonna bring it back home, set it back up, and we're gonna see how it operates, and we're gonna get started in our new journey with the vending machines. T. Simmons.
T. Simmons in the building.
And we're going to go up the road, get this dang vending machine. He gonna come with me, ride along. Gonna help me pick it up, get around, stuff like that. We're finna go get us some food, load up with some gas, and we're gonna get on that road. So, we actually forgot to record the actual arrival of the machine when we got there, so. But we did get it set back up. So when we got there, the seller didn't mention that we didn't have keys to the machine. So we negotiated a deal and then we set out to get that fixed. Back again with the narration. So we made a few phone calls before we found out who could fix our lock for the vending machine. Through the locks, our little amigo friend, he said he's gonna have to drill that thing out.
Who's to drill it out?
You gonna drill it out?
Yes.
Okay. So once he told us we gotta drill it out, he started drilling that thing out. You broke the bit?
Yep.
You mother! Oh man, you get it out?
I'm gonna try.
Oh, look at the bit. You were using this big guy, but then I guess he broke the bit inside of it. So hopefully he can get that out. He's charging us $175. We gotta get that to work, man. We just came from Lawrenceville. Now we're in Loganville trying to get this lock replaced. Like I said, he just kind of messed up the bit, so he's trying to fix that so he can get the drilling back going to replace that lock. But once he get that lock replaced, we trying to get inside that guy because apparently there might be some money inside. So it's like we bought a cheap vending machine with money still inside of it, so it's like we kind of got a more discount on what we already paid. So hopefully that's the case. If not, we still won. Out real quick while he out there still fixing the lock. I'm just gonna clean something just to do something.
I got it, bro.
Got it. It's been a minute now. The hole got deeper, but we getting there.
All right, now what you were saying, Phil?
So we gotta get this vending machine up so we can get this dolly under it. Once we get that dolly under it, we can move the vending machine out so we can get the rest of this door on there, because we got the lock off, but we can't get it all the way off because it's leaning too much to the right. So we just gotta move this heavy vending machine out, and I got my jack. We're gonna make shifting it up. I'm trying to make this thing work today. This 150 right here. And then I'm gonna get you. I don't want to. I don't know. That's 75 though.
75.
That's 180.
Okay.
It's 180.
Okay, that's yours. Okay, thank you for $5, Aragon.
Appreciate you. Like I said, the machine loaded up. We got the new locks on it. We got the key. All we got to do now is head home and we're gonna figure out the rest. But we probably gonna make a little pit stop to get us some food. Other than that, We got our first vending machine. We're gonna show y'all what we're gonna load it with later on, and we're gonna show y'all how it works, how it operates. We're gonna go through all that later on in the video. Well, we finna get on and get out of here. We've been here so long, we hungry now, so we gotta go eat.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get.
Plate over there, I don't know how to act.
These bread so good.
For the bread so good, huh?
Yeah, you might as well get some more.
Go ahead and get about 5 more. Then we gotta make it home now. Can't be sleep on when we got that. We on our way home. This is some smoking vehicle out of here. Dude, this from the store too. I hope it's here, alright?
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.